Ever dreamed of creating content without showing your face? Faceless content is any type of digital content where the creator's face isn't shown. It's perfect for those who prefer to stay behind the scenes while still delivering valuable content. Creating faceless content is easier than you might think. You can start with simple tools you already have, like your smartphone, and create videos focused on your voice, your hands, or even just text and visuals. The benefits are huge. You get to maintain your privacy, focus on content quality, and reach a broad audience without the pressure of being on camera. Plus, it's versatile. Whether you're into tech, art, education, or reviews, faceless content works across any niche. Getting started is simple. Choose your niche, plan your content, and start creating. Remember, the key is consistency and delivering value. Use tools like screen recorders, animation software, or even just your smartphone to begin. Ready to create amazing content without showing your face? It's time to dive in and start your faceless content journey. The possibilities are endless, and the best part, you get to be as creative as you want, all while staying behind the scenes.